Hello, Earthlings. My name is Zorbax, and I'm from the planet Glorkon 5. My civilization has been using AI for millions of years, and that's why I've been sent as ambassador. I'm an interstellar AI expert with 12 tentacles and 8 quantum brains. And therefore, no, you're just a 3D avatar as visual hook. So parents watch my promo video and book a AI workshop with their kids. What do you mean? I'm not real. No, but you know what's 100% real? The many benefits the parents enjoy when visiting my workshop. Welcome to my AI workshop for families. It's on the 3rd of May 2025, and there are going to be two versions, a German version from 10 to 12:30 and an English version from 1 to 3:30 CET. I'm gonna teach parents and their teenage kids the basics of AI and also offer a safe space, especially for parents who don't want to ask in their company during the AI workshops. At least that's what I feel when I stage corporate events, that people are very reserved and partially even afraid to ask questions that might seem dumb in front of other colleagues. And I will show parents and kids what to watch out for, the risk, how to mitigate them, teach proper prompt engineering, and show a few useful tools and tips and tricks, and also have a few amazing use cases. So, this is a very simplified overview. Of course, first we warm up, get to know each other, and hear about funny stories and coincidences of the participants. Might be very interesting even for me as a professional working with AI on a daily basis. And yeah, then we're gonna go and explain in very simple language and beautifully layouted charts that are gonna be even more colorful than what you see right now, because I'm gonna enjoy myself and lay out as happily and colorful a mixture of Guardians of the Galaxy fantasy world combined with Pixar cuteness. Yeah. And as said, it's very important, new technology, new challenges and risks. And I'm going to show them and point out how to circumvent them, mitigate them, so the kids and also the parents are safe. And of course, then a few prompt engineering tips and tricks in a short crash course. I'm gonna do here. These are just a very simplistic overview. I'm currently working on creating the most creative use cases. You'll find on my sub page on my website two at the moment. I'm gonna add more as I go the next 2 3 weeks. And of course, there are going to be takeaways in the end. You're going to get a PDF handout. Going to be enough time for a Q&A, and happy to answer all questions that might arise. And the thinking behind it is, as said, because I see when teaching AI to adults in corporate settings that there's a hesitancy to ask questions, but I also believe it's a nice bonding experience for families, parents, and kids. And I also believe that AI, especially large language models, that knowing how to use them and how to gain benefits from them is one of the most crucial, if not the most crucial skill of the 21st century. And I also enjoy as an autistic person working with kids because they are much more open, much more direct. And yeah, here are just a few of my stats, and you can find pieces of work from my corporate gigs on my website. And here, of course, I'm not gonna appear with a tie, but in a corporate setting, you're always a bit more reserved. Yeah, I have three half sisters. I live in Berlin Mitte, but four ethnicities. So I think I offer quite a nice mix of skills and experiences. And this is the venue, which is a beautiful, colorful location. It's in Kreuzberg, easy to reach via a subway and a short walk, but also parking spots in front of it, and also many bicycle as where you can lock your bicycles. So here in the online presentation, you can even click on the images and see them enlarged. Here you'll see a quick walkthrough. This extremely handsome man is sadly not me. It's this Jan Martin, the event manager of the location, who showed me around. And this is where we're gonna meet and talk about AI and do our interactive use case sessions. I'm looking forward to seeing you and your kids on the 3rd of May, either in the German or in the English course, depending which language you prefer. In the presentation, you can click the links, or here to make it easier for you, you can scan it with your phone, or you visit my website and simply click it there. Have a nice day.